Yo, guys, so today, guys, we're checking the last place of the three best wine regions in Cape Town, guys. It's in Paarl, guys. Rhebokskloof is the best place to chill, go riding, and everything. But today, guys, we're going to be enjoying our winery estate today. We're enjoying the wine here. So if you like what you're going to see, guys, remember to click the like button, click the subscribe button, and leave the comments below. And clean your palate. Cleanse your palate, man. We are about to start the wine adventure on Rhebokskloof, guys. Yeah.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Completely different to all the other triggers that we've seen. And the reason for that is these ruined a lot of the vineyards. And essentially, it's actually that is when they're applying horses in the days gone by. They used to use horses to transport a lot of stuff. Happened in the 1900s in South African wine industry. And it decimated a lot of these farms.
We've arrived to last winery place tasting, guys. Yeah, this is the best show ever, guys. Shush. Yeah. Try to be a parent on holiday, then you tell me. Hello.
They should be a break. Why should be continuously coming, you know?
No. We need doubles now. We're like double winery, double brandy, double everything. Yeah. How's it, guys? Yeah.
Those of you want to wake up with coffees, yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, look at the view here. Woo! Baby! Turn quickly, smile, reverse, slowly, reverse. Oh, you're tired. You're tired. It's gonna be tired now. Today, you're not tired. You're tired. You must be tired, not you. You are here to take pictures and smile. I'm already doing a video. The other one, not the usual one. Yeah, guys, my missus, look at her. Energy is gone. She was like sleeping. Like, Peter, but they're calling you there. They're calling you. I don't know why. Yeah. But anyway, we're following you till. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Today, we need to get you shots, Mr. Birthday. Some tequilas. You have tequilas? A bottle of tequila. Oh, you're a man. You take it today, right now. Yo, are we gonna hear? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is a wedding. I feel. Dude. Baby. Wedding. You. Okay. 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 I don't know. Where the wind is? Where's the wind?
There's a non-drinker. The one that doesn't have wine is non-drinker.
No, but the men must have drinks. Now it's time for me to remove the glasses and see like normal people. Hey. Don't touch. Yet. Don't touch. Hey, don't touch. You get? Don't touch yet, guys. Shiloh wants to touch before they do their presentation. Yeah, you get? Let it be. You get. Charles, stop it. Hey, stop it. Yeah. Anyway, guys, it is what it is.
Do you want to take it now?
Wow, this is beautiful, guys. Sheesh. Whew. Now we can finish the day. Yeah, being a parent on holiday is fun, eh? Yummy. Yes.
I don't want to keep you guys long in this room. It's really hot and the chocolates are melting. That's what I think.
Yes.
So let's do the first round. That's going to be your sparkling wine. It's our Flatbox Sparkle. It is a Chardonnay grape that we use. It's fresh, it's easy, it's crisp, and it definitely blends in with your salted nectarine, which is your first chocolate. First things first, you take a sip of the wine, a bite into the chocolate, another sip of the wine, and that is how we're going to go through your tasting. So please enjoy the first one while I'm getting everybody
Cheers,
out
Shiloh.
the wine.
Cheers, cheers. Yay. Cheers. Shiloh. Shiloh. Cheers. Cheers. Ila.
What kind of friend?
Yeah. Okay, Isaac. Take a bite of chocolate. Then sip again. It makes it better. It's like a brute, Sebo. That one I had an engine in my same as that. Oh, guys, I'm not a fan of sparkling wine. That's a brooch. This is like a brooch or something. But this chocolate is nice. Look at this guy. I unleashed the beast, guys, on chocolate. Guys, chocolate makes this wine a bit better to drink. When it's true. It's a sparkling, actually. It's not a wine, it's a sparkling. It's a bubbly, you know. Yes.
Next one is the bergamot chocolate, which is the, I normally call it a lemon cheesecake because it's like a lemon cheesecake.
Next one. This one.
Which is more lively, more
Yeah.
citrusy, a balanced acidity as well. And it has been in
Shut up.
barrels for 1 year. So it's not buttery, it's not creamy, it's actually very refreshing for a Chardonnay. And you can have
Chardonnay,
anything you put your mind to it, even chocolate.
Uh-huh.
Guys, it's a nice, I would say, nice.
This is the Chardonnay, guys. This one.
But otherwise, you can enjoy with your cheese and nibbles. Let me go get the drink.
Yep. Guys, let's have our second drink. It's a Chardonnay, guys. Today's been a very winey day today. You know, you get drunk, you get sober today, get drunk again, get sober. It's a theme for today. Oh. Hello. Ooh. Okay, this one is a bit like says hello to your mouth. Let's try the chocolate, guys. There's a chocolate. The chocolate is a bit thick because of the lemon taste. But let's have it. What? You said what's in it? The lemon. It mixes well, I guess. No, this goes well with this lemon chocolate. We like it.
So we actually set up
Okay, look at Shiloh. Shiloh, is it nice? Guys, I'm eating this. Chocolate is a bit thick with lemon.
they send us every day the whole
I don't know, Chardonnay. I never tasted this one with chocolate. I never had it with chocolate. So, ooh. Ooh. Oh gosh. Guys, I've been whining too much today. Winery has been on a high level. But cheers. Ka-ching. Oh, I shouldn't be eating chocolate, but yeah, it is a nice chocolate. Shiloh is having some chocolate also. He's having a lot of chocolate. But he has water and a juice to done everything, but it's fun. His face is like white everywhere.
Guys, the middle one, before we have no chocolate on your mat, the middle one is going to be the black currant chocolate, which goes very
currant,
well with
yes.
your blend.
This is a
Pinata,
blend.
Shiraz, and Dura. So spicy on the nose, easy on the
Yeah, it is
palate.
definitely spicy,
Lots
this one.
of dark fruits that you can pick up in that one.
Yeah, let me have a sip of this. Then
Underneath
this guy.
the glasses, these little bits of pictures that they give you about which flavors you guys can pick up in your
And
mind.
the chocolate cake today.
Guys, go. I'm coming back, guys. Let's go. Take Shiloh out. Boss. Come. Hello. Come.
Shiraz and Pinotage together.
Okay.
So Pinotage and Shiraz both spent 18 months in Brentwood. Both of them went through second and third use. All our wines are basically your open and drink wines. You just need to choose which one you like at the end of the day. So most of us are into red, most of us likes white, but the weather is also playing along when we have white and red wines. So we are best known for Shiraz because of the climate here. You guys can feel it's really hot here. And
Yeah.
Shiraz does really good, so that's our main chick on the block. So Pinotage and Shiraz, they like cousins.
You guys
So
messed up, but
people,
anyway.
we are so
Ate
done
it.
with
I
our
dropped my other chocolate.
But it was very, very lovely to have you guys here, even though we were a little bit, I was a little bit out of order.
It's okay. We're all
But
sleepy.
yeah, thank you for coming. Thank you for visiting. I hope you guys enjoyed the wines, the chocolate. If you guys are too hot in here, you are more than welcome, as I said. But you can come to me and fetch a top up of the wine that you best like, and then you guys can go outside. Okay?
Ish. Yeah, guys, and I still have my melo slash, I don't know what you call it. Yeah, anyway, let's go sit down. Baby, let's go sit down. And watch the river here. The river looks beautiful, guys. Like it's way more nice. Yeah? Are you okay? Okay, guys, it's beautiful here. Yeah, it's actually nice. So now we're just chilling with Shiloh here, playing games now. Is this time to play? Yeah. Fine. I'll shoot at you. Relax. Leave a space for me, please. Don't hug all of it alone. She's hugging, guys. She's hugging it. Yeah, guys, this is beautiful. Way more as a pampering thing here. Shiloh wants to play. Yeah, we're gonna let him loose there. Also, there's a good place to chill outside here. We're just gonna keep going to Richfield here, and there's also a beautiful dam here. It's actually lovely. Yeah, play. Go play. Yeah, go play. Yo guys, this is look at this. What is this? What it is? Baby, wanna shoot? Come. Oh, carry your wines here. It's okay. Tell little pet. Now chillax or somewhere. Oh, that's it. You can chill there on those chairs. Yeah. Yeah. Balance. Are you okay? Are you balanced? Yo guys, this is the last place we're gonna be chilling in, guys, today. I think this is where we're gonna be ending our vlog today, guys. Let me speak to you. So guys, I hope you are enjoying our day like we are enjoying ourselves, guys. And today has been wonderful and very nice, guys. I would say Stellenbosch sightseeing, wine tour, tasting, thingy-ma-bob. It's very nice. It's worth it. Yeah, it's very worth it. You should do it, guys. We had 3 wine estates we had one go to, and you had lunch on the other one, and also we had walk through Stellenbosch in the city center and got the history of it with our tour guide. But guys, I'm chilling with the missus right now. We're sleeping, and she's like, gosh, the last one. Anyway, anyway, guys, yeah, guys, I'm gonna end my vlog here today, guys. You know, I'm tired, really tired, but I'm happy also. I hope you are happy by watching us. If you're still watching, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we love you, and you love us. We love each other, you know. Yeah. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching us, guys, today, and please do subscribe to our channel, leave the comments, and you know, leave the like, guys. Look, please tell us if you don't like our videos, because we want to change them to something that you like. Guys, do tell us, you know. Alright, guys, me, this is Rachel. and you know, got the family. We are here today, checking out. You see, guys, when you're live, vlogging, talking, singing, yeah, vlogging and that stuff. Anyway, it's a wonderful day today, guys. Enjoy the day, and I'm gonna continue sipping some wine, guys. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, and yeah, I appreciate you for watching this to this end, guys. Anyway, cheers, have fun. I'm out of here. Ka-choo!